I'm Dr. Hector Gonzalez Miramontes from Guadalajara, Mexico. I would like to invite you to the 25th ISAPS World Congress meeting in Austria, Viena. This is going to be on 2020 from 2nd to 5th of March. The best international aesthetic meeting in the world with the most talented plastic surgeons. I will talk about Superhigh SMAS and the best vectors in ritidoplasty. This is a personal new concept in facelift. This gives opportunity to improve very important structures like upper part of the nasolabial fold, the reposition of the orbicularis muscle of the lower lids, and improve in general the periorbital area without using any fillers or any fat injection. This is very important new concept to get the best natural results in facelift. Please take the opportunity to attend this very important meeting with the best plastic surgeon in the world.